10 exciting attractions opening in 2015. From the world's largest archaeology museum to its biggest eco park, 2015 is gearing up to be a whooper of a year for global tourists in search of the next big thing. Each of these multi-million-dollar projects will have a major impact on local tourism, and every one of them is sure to make headlines in the coming months. Number 1, Hello Kitty, Zhejiang Province in China. Opening date January 2015. Number 2, the National Video Game Arcade in Nottingham, England. Opening date March 2015. Number 3, Grand Texas Sports Entertainment District in New Caney, Texas. Opening date Spring 2015. Number 4, the National Blues Museum in St. Louis, Missouri. Opening date late 2015. Number 5, Garage Museum of Contemporary Art in Moscow. Opening date June 2015. Number 6, Eternity Passage in Beijing, China. Opening date Summer 2015. Number 7, Grand Egyptian Museum in Cairo. Opening date Fall 2015. Number 8, National Gallery Singapore in Singapore. Opening date November 2015. Number 9, Fantasy Island in Ruel Islands, Indonesia. Opening date late 2015. Number 10, Lovely Abu Dhabi in UAE or United Arab Emirates. Opening date December 2015.